Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that a machine can execute your daily professional tasks faster and cheaper than you ever could. This is no longer a scenario from a science fiction film. It is a transformation happening right now, prompting a single question: is artificial intelligence coming to take your job? To find the answer, we have to look at what these systems actually do. AI doesn't fatigue or require sleep. It processes oceans of data in mere seconds, maintaining a level of efficiency that no human can match over a standard workday. Because of that stamina, any role built around predictable, rule-based repetition is currently vulnerable to immediate automation. We can see this in customer service, where companies once hired thousands of agents to answer phones. Today, software can handle those same conversations simultaneously, managing support around the clock without human intervention. This diagram represents the high volume of unorganized data a modern business generates. Sorting through this used to require entire departments of people manually entering information into spreadsheets. Now, AI reads these documents and extracts the records automatically. By the time the data is aligned in a ledger, the software has already categorized every transaction and flagged every anomaly. This trend is moving into the physical world through the transport sector. Long-haul freight corridors and delivery routes are being tested with autonomous vehicles that don't require a driver behind the wheel. The pattern is clear. If your daily workflow can be reduced to a rigid flowchart, a machine will eventually absorb those tasks. Even fields once considered safe are seeing disruption. AI can now generate functional code, draft marketing copy, and write news articles. This has created a sense of shock among creative and analytical professionals who suddenly find themselves competing with automated output. To understand the limits here, we have to distinguish between these two concepts. On the left is generative processing. AI takes existing data and rearranges it into a familiar pattern. On the right is creative innovation, the human ability to step outside existing data and conceptualize an entirely new paradigm. Because these systems are trained on what has already been done, they are tethered to the past. They can iterate on existing work, but they cannot invent something that has no historical precedent. Healthcare provides a clear example of this boundary. An algorithm analyzes medical imaging, identifying disease markers faster and more accurately than a human doctor. But an algorithm cannot provide a diagnosis with human compassion, nor can it understand the complex emotional context of a patient's life. We see the same barrier in software development. AI can write basic scripts, but it lacks the perspective needed to design high-level architecture or navigate the nuances of a unique security threat. Machines struggle to replicate the traits that remain most valuable to an organization: complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and leadership. While AI processes information with precision, it cannot connect with people. This leaves a significant gap in the workforce that still requires a human to fill. History shows that technological disruption follows a predictable cycle. It's a recurring phenomenon. During the Industrial Revolution, the introduction of mechanical power replaced many forms of manual labor. While specific roles vanished, the change created the foundation for the modern industrial economy. Later, early office automation and the typewriter redefined the structure of administrative work, forcing a total reorganization of how information was processed. Mainframe computers then automated the complex calculations that previously required entire departments of human mathematicians. The internet later displaced countless analog professions, while simultaneously creating the global digital economy we use today. Each of these waves eliminated obsolete tasks to clear the path for professions that were previously unimaginable. We are already seeing new roles emerge: prompt engineers, AI ethicists, and human-machine collaboration specialists. The future of work is evolving into a partnership where human judgment is amplified by machine processing. So will AI take your job? If your work is defined by routine, the tasks themselves will likely be automated. But for the worker, the answer is more nuanced. AI may not be the thing that replaces you. You are more likely to be replaced by a human who knows how to use AI better than you do.